Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to enable dark mode in TradingView. Dark mode not only reduces eye strain, but also provides a sleek aesthetic that many users prefer. Today, I will guide you step by step on how to switch to dark mode on TradingView. First, let's make sure you are logged into your TradingView account. If you do not already have an account, you will need to create one. Once you are logged in, locate the chart screen. You should see a toolbar on the right side of the screen. This is where you will find the necessary settings to change your theme. Now, look for the gear icon or settings icon in the bottom right corner of the chart area. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, navigate to the Themes section. Here, you will see options for light and dark themes. Select Dark to apply the dark mode to your charts. Lastly, once you have selected the dark theme, you will instantly see the changes applied to your TradingView interface. You can now enjoy your charts in dark mode. If you want to revert to the light mode later on, simply follow the same steps and choose the light option. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.